Morning, everyone. Oh, we are live and early. Good morning, good morning. What's up, everyone? Friendly reminder to those just joining. I just started a live, but I'm hosting a free webinar. I posted the link in my IG story if you all want to join there. I'm going to put the link in my bio today, so. Good morning. Courtney, David, Susan, welcome in. Thanks, Jonathan. Good morning, Adrian. If I don't say her name, this is because I can't pronounce it, okay? I probably could, I just don't want to butcher it, you know? What happened yesterday? My electric went off midstream. It was unfortunate. It came back on, but I was like, okay, there's no point in starting this live back. I ended up taking a trade yesterday, then I just got out right, I made like $40 or something. I got out right at break even. Just wasn't liking the price action. So you all did not miss anything. Good morning, Bronx. How you doing? All the 20 nicks we have in this live, good morning. Good morning, Josh. What's everyone got planned for the weekend? Oh, I'm going to say this like a million times a day, so you all may get tired of it, but I'm hosting a webinar on Tuesday. Tuesday, March 3rd, 7 p.m. EST. I've got the link in my Instagram story right now if you all want to go sign up. It takes like 2 minutes, so you don't miss out. Champ, I'm not for sure. What's going on? Will the webinar be recorded? I'm going to record it. I'm not for sure how it's going to work sending it out, you know. But either way, you have to be, you have to get on the list, you know. It will be recorded, yes. But I need you all there. I need the support. Come hang out, vibe. I'm going to teach about supply and demand. Little in-depth class on supply and demand. Not going to take too much of your time. It's all good, Paul. It's all good. Went on tilt yesterday and blew your funded. I'm so sorry to hear that. All we can do is move forward, though. We have all been there. Just don't let it affect your trading today. Maybe you just don't need to take a trade today. Just kind of clear your mind. But don't let it, don't go into the weekend upset and stuff. It's not worth, running your whole weekend over one account. It's part of the game. Good morning. I think if we just, I'm not saying just take my trades. I'm saying the way we do it here with the group effort, we have so many, intelligent people just working together. That's what makes it. I feel like if we all could just lock in here and just not go on tilt and not go try to take 20 more trades after we end the live. Just lock in for a little bit here and see how it works out for you. If you don't like it, do whatever. Jersey, I just keep looking at the Asia, and I just don't see good setups. I'm gonna do it though, Jersey. I know I keep saying it. It's just I hate feeling like I'm wasting someone's time. No, Josh, it's gonna be supply and demand. Even if I'm gonna be going through Grizzology during the webinar as well, yes. But first, I'm teaching supply and demand. Okay. It's not just all about Grizzology. And it's free, so why not come hang out? It's only gonna be like an hour or something. Asia's been slow all week, from what I've seen. Just the price action. Where do you sign up for the webinar? Well, right now I've got it in my story on IG. So on Instagram, you can, if you're not following my Instagram, you can go to grizzlytrades.com. Go to my Instagram, you'll see it in my story there. You all need to be following me there anyway, so go ahead and do that. That's where I'm most active. But I will be putting it in my website soon, okay? So you all can just get it there. Link in bio, whatever. That's no problem, Josh. Just hope you show up, man. What's the best prop firm at the moment? It's between go to my the same place I said my Instagram was. I have the ones I'm affiliated with there. If you want to read through them, see which one you like best. Also, I know this is a lot of whatever, but I got my free ebook there that breaks it down the prop firms for you, okay? You can download that and read it. Short read, but it kind of helps you understand prop firms. It's free as well. Surprised that the amount of downloads it got. I didn't, I expected a few people, but I didn't expect that many. It's crazy how popular prop firms are now. Good morning, Mark. Good morning, Fabiola. Good morning, Bill. Welcome in. Yeah, I'm early, just hanging out. I'm kind of ready for the weekend. Even though I got my work cut out for me. I'm getting ready for the webinar. Oh. Thanks, Mark. You signed up, looking forward to it. Everyone's invited to it. It's free. I'm going to be teaching about supply and demand. You have to go to my Instagram and get the link. It's in my story right now. Sign up. If you can't find it, just DM me on Instagram. I'll send it to you, okay? But it's in my story. I wanted to take a trade right here, but I'm just hesitant to trade pre-market. Look at this. We pushed up to this fair value gap. The candle that really stuck out to me was this one here. The nice rise in volume. We had a nice retracement of it. A good entry would have been at 858. Thank you. Appreciate it. Share it with everybody, with anyone you would like. Power went out yesterday, Travis. Sorry about cutting out on you all mid-stream. Then it left so weird, it left my YouTube live. Like it just left it live, would not stop streaming. I had to literally get back on there. On the phone I was streaming off of and go into it, then close it out. Even though I closed the app out, turned off the phone and everything. Good morning, welcome in. Free webinar coming up. I'm going to say it all day, so you all are welcome to join. If you want to type it in manually, it's grizzology.com/webinar. Should be able to search it like that. You have to check and see. I'm not 100% on that. Just signed up. Thank you, Joey. Hopefully you all find plenty of value in the webinar this Tuesday. Oh yeah, power's back on. So you hopefully we catch a nice winning trade in the week. This is the last trading day of this month, right? Let me look. Oh. All right, everyone. It's getting close to market open. If you're gonna get some coffee or tea, whatever you're sipping on, now's the time. Manifesting a 30-minute workday for us. I just want to get into a nice trade. Hit all price targets. Call it a day. Go eat some steak or sushi. Enjoy your freedom that comes with trading. Sounds like a good Friday. Yeah, Joey, a lot of times we was done in 15 minutes back in the day. The market has changed, you know. We've just been adapting to the change. Like I said, the beginning of last year, I thought had lost my edge in trading. I was questioning myself, but pulled through, and here we are crushing it again. Sometimes you just have the bad streaks like that. You just have to manage your risk and adapt. You know, like the earnings week, the big earnings. You know, we've had the last couple weeks, 3 weeks, something like that. Makes the market a little difficult for entries, and we had quite a bit of chop there for a minute. I think the market we're looking for is coming back here in the next week or so. Good morning, Bill. Good morning, Emma. Alexander, I'm not sure what you're asking about. I probably just lost track of the conversation I was having before this one. You you thought I got abducted yesterday? If I can speak. This electric cut off midstream. Some words are just hard to say with the southern accent, okay? And I definitely hold back with it, so. Preparing money for a ransom. You all would just be on another live stream, forget about me a couple weeks. Life would go on. You would never find better dad jokes, though, ever. Maybe better trading, but not better dad jokes. All right, everyone, start sharing the lives. It's almost time. From Alabama, you promise you'll understand me? I believe it. Oh, that's right, Bill. How do I feel about Bitcoin? I haven't been really keeping track of it lately, to be honest. I don't hold enough to amount to anything. I don't know what to expect next the way AI is advancing so fast. Like, where are we even going to be out in a year? I've seen stuff. I've seen jobs. I've seen, like, literally AI replace so many jobs in the last year. Like, it's just crazy how fast it's advancing. I don't know what's going to happen. You know, they always talked about it, but I never expected to see it like this, moving this quickly. Have I seen Terminator? Oh, yeah. I didn't, Isaac. Haven't seen that. You bought a new house? That's awesome. I could imagine, Danny. I'd say you see a lot of them. No, my live history, my live cut off. My electric went up. yesterday. What's up, Jaden? Let's do this, team boys. Almost time. This is my main area I'm watching down here for a bounce. For those that was in the pre-market prep, you know who I'm talking about. Can you all hear me? Real quick, just give me a yes. If you can see my charts and hear me, let me know. It's time for the market to open. I don't want anyone missing out. So. And one last time, the market's about to open, but I'm hosting a free webinar Tuesday, 7 p.m. EST. Go to Grizzology. You can see Grizzology on the chart. Grizzology.com/webinar. You should be able to find it there. Or just go to my Instagram story. Join. It's free. It takes like 2 seconds. So. I need you all to show up, show some support, even if just hanging out, okay?
Let's get it, baby. Let's go, Team Bull.
Let's do it.
COD time. We got Grizzly Clock in the house. We got Jade on trades. And it's time to make ourselves some breath. Let's get it. I want y'all to choose DOD today. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused. I did choose Team Bear today based on the pre-market action. We'll see if that ends up playing out. We got a...
It does, Corey. It really does. I appreciate you all. Let's see if we can make some money. The market's open. Excuse me. Share the live, everyone. I'm looking at my chart here in front of me. If you have any questions, drop them in the chat and follow. I go live every morning. Thank you, Danielle, for sharing the live. Good morning, Naya. How are you doing? What's up? Welcome in. You're welcome, History. I'm glad you all liked it. I didn't know what kind of feedback I would get for the ebook I released. But it seemed like everyone loves it, so. Thank you. I'm manifesting a 30-minute workday for us.
An hour and a half to trade with you.
All right. Real quick, I'm watching this level here, Team Bull, my chart, the 24,954 area, Asia low. I'm looking for us to test that.
Right.
Wick back below it for a possible short, okay? That's what I'm watching if we get up there.
We have 18 5-minute candles to catch a winning trade. That's all I got. Grizzly, how long are you gonna stick around today?
I'm manifesting a 30-minute workday.
I'm here for it. I
Yeah.
like that. I love that answer. Manifesting a 30-minute workday.
I ended up taking a trade yesterday. Got in a trade at chopped around, so I just got out. I made like $40 yesterday. Got out right at break even.
Bro can get a Texas Roadhouse steak and maybe a side.
Barely. No tip with that. If I'm only taking 40. I think I tipped too much, honestly. My accountant seems to think so. What's everyone sipping on this morning? Coffee? Tea? What? Nice. Coffee. Tequila. It's a little early for that.
We got Hey Dunn's in the house, baby. I'm drinking coffee. I'm double fisting my coffee today.
No, Corey, I said tip. Like tipping the bill, not
It's gotta
tilt.
be mega trade.
I mean, she may think that too. I don't know.
It's gotta be mega trade. No, not beer today.
You're drinking beer.
Yeah, I was sipping beer yesterday on stream because I love beer. I've always loved beer. And I definitely drink a lot, so just so much beer. Definitely haven't not drank for 22 months. Definitely, even when I did drink, I definitely loved beer.
I know what you liked. I've
What do I
witnessed
like?
it. You like
I would
tequila.
drink.
You like the
Oh.
Marge,
Dude, I used to love Marge, bro.
and you like them strong. You don't like regular. You like strong.
Well, just screw me. Throw me to the bus. Dude, I did Marge strong. Yeah, I did. I was like, make it a double. Double or nothing back in the day. It's crazy I'm coming up on 2 years of no alcohol. May 5th will be 2 years. Honestly, though, when I did drink, it was double or nothing in the mornings. Like, don't give me some weak shit or weak stuff.
That's me. I couldn't even drink light beer. It's just like non-alcoholic to me. I had to drink the IPAs.
Never tried an IPA.
Don't.
No, I probably won't. I'm not sure I'll ever drink again. I don't really think that far ahead. I was never an alcoholic, so I didn't have to stop because I was gonna die. I just stopped because I didn't want to drink anymore. I just had no interest in going back.
Manifesting one good trade today.
Yep, stay patient, guys. Stay patient.
20.
The first 15 minutes.
24,954. I'm watching for a possible short.
Wait, what level?
24,954. 24,954.
That's also the 50% retracement from pre-market high to pre-market low, as well as Asia low.
Nice. Two confluence.
That actually don't look bad. Maybe like 50 to 60 with stops above like 25,000.
I like it. Or even stops at. Well,
I'll watch that with you. I'll watch that Asia low. See on the screen.
a 5-minute close above it would probably invalidate it for me.
Yep. Either that or 25,000 hard stops.
Yeah, we got that overnight low at 24,991, and we got Asia low at 24,954. So.
And drop tops.
What is Mara at this morning? Looks like we're definitely getting our shares called away this week, Team Bull. If you sold cover calls on Armara shares, because it pumped. Unless it just sells back off today.
I'll watch that 9. I'll probably watch closer to 960, like 960 area with stops about 25,000. I think that'd be a potentially a decent trend trade.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. I'm just talking, having a good time, looking for a trade. What's my dog doing? I don't know. Just hanging out.
Nebraska today.
May have made some noise.
Going back to the Cornhusker State.
We just going to visit some family.
Yeah, got some news and had to go back and just be present.
What's up, everyone?
What I love about trading is that you're able to, in life.
Make sure you follow. Go live every morning. TikTok, YouTube. And TikTok, if you want to move over to YouTube, you can find the link at grizzlytrades.com. Also, 2 things. 1, I have a free ebook there for you all. Download it while you're there. And 2, I'm hosting a free webinar on Tuesday, 7 p.m. EST. Okay? Go to grizzology.com/webinar to join. Takes like 1 minute. It's going to be supply and demand, all that good stuff. I may bring a special guest. We'll see. We shall see. Let's hope it don't sell off right here. Oh, you hear a dog barking. I got you. TikTok, say something in chat here. My chat was froze for a bit. Good morning, Austin. It does, Jeffrey? I have to look into that. I didn't know that. Thank you. What is your name? Girls? I don't know. I'm just gonna call you Girls. What's your real name? Or what would you like me to call you on the stream? What do I have? Box, that's a 15-minute range for me. We got a few minutes here until it's in. Good morning. You check your schedule, Nick? I appreciate it. Looking out for the little guy, you know? Couldn't go a little bit higher for us. Come on. Honestly, just not much volume on this candle so far, huh?
So close. It got up to 908, so about 40 points away.
Yep. And this candle here just doesn't have a crazy amount of volume on it either.
No, it's horrible.
Yeah.
Not horrible, but well, it's actually, for the size, it is kind of horrible.
Oh. I cannot quit yawning. I've yawned like 1,000 times this morning.
Where's the Folgers at, bro?
I need some, man. Body's destroyed this week.
I got two cups of coffee today from the coffee shop. Usually I have 1 cup and then Gene makes me some of his espresso, but Gene's in Florida.
He vacationing?
He's helping his friend move.
Is he moving too?
No, he's not allowed to move.
He never comes back.
He just dips. Retires, pulls a grizzly.
Yeah, retires.
Goes says, peace, I'm out.
Look how we're wicking back up here. It's got some volume on it now, but what's the delta is the question. Let me see. I'm going to look at the delta. Let me see.
All right, our 15-minute range is in, everybody. No clear direction. And this is a tough candle to long or short because it was red. However, let's see.
It is
we have
not here. Sorry.
A total of 122 points, of which on that, of the 122 points, half of it was wick.
It's just not showing up on my chart. There we go. Let's try it now. No. Is the volume footprints working on your trading view? It's not showing up on mine. Can you tell me what the delta was on this candle? The previous candle, someone? I'd like to know. You have to zoom in.
Well, here's the problem now, is that if we break this 15-minute high,
Thanks, Nick.
I'm still open to a short in this area. Just potentially a little higher risk. We'll see. I'd like to see a 5-minute confirmation before I take the trade. I don't really want to just like reject it. Because there is a world where we get some rebound and
All right, everyone. I got a game plan here for us. If you all want to talk about it, discuss it, I am down. So first off, I'm watching this Asia low for a possible short, right? Asia low. If we just something happens, we just rip, we don't wick back below this, I will watch the overnight low. I like this whole area for a possible short. If it confirms, I take it. I'll let you all know. Okay. If you don't like it, you see a better setup, let me know. Does the orb candle? No, it doesn't, Kelly. It's not how I trade the orb. We just have to have the high volume breakout candle to confirm the orb's in play. Grizzology.com/webinar. Join it. Free webinar coming up. Go sign up. Grizzology.com/webinar. Nice one, Nation. Did the people on here that was trying to reach a payout yesterday reach one? I know my live got cut off because of my electric, but Nice, Josh. Nice. Asia low right here. You see it? Trying to keep the chart kind of. Let me adjust that actually. I can make it where you can see it better. Asia low. 0. Okay. Wow, what a candle. It's going to be hard to short with this volume, huh? It's going to confirm the orb with a massive candle. Unless it wicks back below the 15-minute range. I still like that level. Let's see. Let's see what it looks like. We have to see the confirmation anyways. See what Jadon's saying. Never hurts to have multiple input.
Well, this is 8, 17, and 9.
What a candle, man.
I know. What are we supposed to do here?
That's what I'm saying. The only thing that makes sense to me, we could try like a bounce at like 880
Yep, that's what I was.
at point of control.
Yep, with stops below like 8. Still, that'd be a wide stop.
I mean, we'd have to move our stop up, and we'd have to stop out before the trade was invalid. That would be our only option.
Here's my issue with this, is that we have this 50% retracement here. We're touching the 15-minute high, but there's far too much risk from 900 down to 820, so I can't take this setup here.
All right, TikTok. I'm going to have to restart the TikTok, everyone. Can you all just come right back when I end it and start it back? Just doing this thing, you know. I'll let you know if I take it. I didn't enter this trade. All right, I had to restart my TikTok there. Just doing this thing, you know.
That I can get on board with for sure.
Well, Mr. Bounce by 12 points or so. Mr. Long Entry.
There's just so much risk on it. Stock maxing and trade logging are elite terms is crazy.
I'm going to have to catch up on all this.
I know. I don't know. I'm going to have to do my research this morning or later on. We're going to be payout maxing from here on out. Look maxing and we're DOD maxing, look maxing, and payout maxing.
How do you look max? Is there some kind of system?
I guess I'm still trying to figure it out. I guess I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. If I had to choose one, I'd say we're gonna be DOD maxing, discipline over dopamine maxing, maximizing discipline while minimizing cheap, garbage, dopamine, useless dopamine.
All right. Excuse me. I'm definitely not taking this bounce since we came so close earlier and bounced, okay? Just watching. What are you supposed to do with the looks maxing if you already look good, you know?
I know.
Struggle.
I don't know, bro.
It's horrible.
let's see if we get a little more move down. I'll contemplate longs at 860. Still too much risk here. 880 down to 820. That'd be 60 points of risk. This is the area, if we are going to bounce, we likely do. But I'm personally not taking this yet. Just waiting. Like, for example, if we would have taken that pre-mark or that 15-minute high test, we'd be down.
Come on, give us a trade. Don't give us nonsense price action on Friday. Share a live TikTok. Let's get everyone back in here. We had quite a bit. Then I had to end it because TikTok was on games. Can you not see the delta momentum? I tried to move it up for you. It's right here in the bottom right. I thought you seen it. I should have answered you.
I can't take this setup either way, folks.
Me either. Back to the, I want to say one more thing on the looks maxing. I've been working out for quite a while in the gym, and everyone in there, skinny, fat, whatever, they all want to be different. So just keep that in mind. The skinny guys want to be bigger. The fat guys want to be skinnier.
You tell me that I need to start going to look max?
Whatever. Need to learn to be happy during the process. That's what I'm saying.
Add my eyebrows. If I catch a 200 point, if I call an entry that goes 200 points today, I'll dye my hair blonde. I'll look max. I'll go Slim Shady. That would be crazy.
What color would you consider your hair now?
Brown, dark.
Like a dirty blonde or something.
Can you imagine I show up with blonde hair, slim done?
We used to rock the blonde highlights back in the early 2000s, late 90s.
I had blonde hair 1 year in elementary school too. I don't know why my mom would let me do that. What's wrong with you, Mom?
I've been through so many haircuts. I had the mullet, I had a rat tail, I had a bow cut. Yeah, I've just had it all, I believe. My mom just got creative.
If we get a confirmation candle here, I'll still look for the longs, guys. I just couldn't, with this previous 5-minute candle, I couldn't rationalize it down here. Even though we would have had 860 to 815, what, like 35 points of risk? This would have been the spot. Personally, just too much risk for me. A little early, especially with the downtrend.
The whole hockey team bleached their hair. That's wild. I'm just talking. Just talking till we get a legit setup, everyone. If you all want me to switch the topic to trading, just let me know. Drop a topic you would like me to discuss. You had a mullet in the early 80s and you're a girl? It's alright. I feel like a lot of hairdos in the 80s were similar on girls. I mean, I wasn't alive, thriving in the 80s. I've just seen pictures. You think we make yearly lows the next 2 or 3 months? I have no idea, Isaac. I don't ever swing trade bearish. I've tried it before. As far as like SPY, QQQ go, the best thing you can do is invest bullish long term with them. The best way to make it out of debt? I like the snowball. Is it snowball method? It's pretty solid. I read a book on that once. Search it up, Brian. Thank you, Thomas. Real quick, everyone. I know you're tired of hearing me say it. Free webinar, Tuesday, 7 p.m. EST. Go to grizzology.com/webinar. Sign up. Takes like 1 minute. Lock in your seat. It's free. They are limited. And I gotta come to Colorado soon. I've been promising Jaden. I will be in Florida in March for sure, everyone. I know I said it a million times, but I will be there in March. Like the second or third week. I have to look. It is official. Just go, even if you can't make it to the webinar, which I hope you all can, at least sign up. You know? Spring break month? Yeah. I didn't realize that, but I will be close to not quite to Fort Lauderdale, but close to that area. What's the website again? Well, it's just for the, my website is grizzlytrades.com, but the webinar currently isn't, I haven't put it in my website yet. You can just go to my Instagram story and sign up for the webinar if you like. You can find a link to my Instagram in grizzlytrades.com. It's in my story right now on Instagram. But grizzology.com/webinars if you want to type it in and search. Thomas says, come to LA, I got an extra room you can stay in. What would we do in LA? I haven't ever been to Las Vegas, by the way. Am I gonna make a meet and greet in Florida? No. Well, I mean, I might meet some people. Just DM if you want to meet up. I'll see what I can do. Maybe take you off for some steak or something. What was that? What was that? Oh, we hit our level, Jadon. I wanted us to break above it, then went back down. I didn't want us to stop right at it or below it.
Alright, what up?
We missed it. It hit our level. It just happened quickly.
Oh shit.
Like instant push to it.
Wow. At 9, I mean, I wouldn't have taken it, honestly, anyway. I would have waited for 960. This is kind of the battle I have with my system right now, is following this intraday trend or following the pre-market trend and the overall trend.
Wow, look at that. It's like it knew we was waiting on that level. It's like, I'm gonna hit it real quick and sell off.
that
setup.
What?
My main setup.
If we get this candle, here's an option too. Let's see what's the high here. 50.
It's gonna close right at this 15-minute range high.
I know. Why? I was saying, I wish we could get a really weak candle here, big wick, so we could. I would watch for a move back up and short with stops above this high if we got a really weak close, but I'm not sure we're gonna get it. Looks like we're gonna close above this level. What's gonna be like a 50% wick indecisive close, which that does absolutely nothing for me.
Horrible candle.
Does nothing for me.
Just need one good trade to lock in some stake money for today.
Yeah, I can't. No way I'm shorting that candle.
I would look at the delta, but my trading view is not working properly. Will not show me the footprint charts.
900 stops. Technically speaking, guys, what's this? 30 points, 80. We could try the pullback to 900 for longs. I just fear us rejecting in here that 50% retracement from pre-market high to low and getting a flush down. So if I did end up taking this 900, you'd have to have hard stops at 866. It'd be a 34-point risk.
It had that previous candle had a positive delta 450. Forearm keeps cramping. Let's see. What is up with this chart? Free webinar this coming Tuesday. Everyone go sign up. Grizzology.com/webinar. Free supply and demand class.
I just...
Direct link, you can find it in my IG story, Mason. Instagram story. Direct link.
The missing piece every trader needs: patience.
All right, all right. All right, Team Bull. Watching this overnight low area.
This was my original reject zone. This was the pre-market high to pre-market low retracement. I used to take rejects, like back in the day, I'd just take a short right here. Say rejecting, trying it with stops above 25,000. Not quite how I trade anymore.
The orb looked good today. It just didn't give us the confirmation candle was massive.
Yep. I would have taken that retest earlier. so tempted to try the shorts. Getting
Yeah.
a little confirmation up here.
Me too. You may have to pull the 1 minute.
I know. This is the only area I like. Is that 960, 970. Goes against our intraday, what's happening in the first few candles, but from an overall trend standpoint, pre-market, it looks good. I have not taken anything.
I'm tempted to try some here. I'm going to try some shorts. I'm going to start a small size here. Just a small size. I'm testing this area. I would like to get my average in the 70s, honestly. If we push up towards that overnight low stops, 5 minute close above that 25,000, or we can just set a hard stop on the other side. If you're on your funded, wait till we get up a little higher. A little too much risk for you. We closed, that previous candle closed right at Asia low.
I'm gonna try a piece of shorts up at 72, everybody. 70 is what I like. I'm gonna keep my stops at 25,000. I like this area right here. It's the only area I've seen all morning for shorts. I'm gonna keep it light. I have a hard stop at 25,000, so 30 points of risk. 70s, right here, the area up to 75 is the area I like for entry.
Ooh, I don't like that.
You're entering right here, it's only 25 points of risk. I have stops at 25,001. 25,001. I only went with one mini, so we'll have $600 worth of risk.
All right, everyone. My average is in the 70s now. Stop is a 5 minute close above 25,000.
I'm getting stopped at 25,001
Okay.
if we get up there. This is the only area I liked pre-market for that high to low retracement. So tried it light, only one mini. If we saw some sort of confirmation that we reverse, I would potentially add into the position, but not right now. Don't even have a full size loss on the table.
Don't do it.
So we'll see.
This is the only area I like for shorts, everyone. If we get stopped out of this.
So our final line in the sand, this 85 was the high, that 0.618. So we'll see.
No, stop's not overnight low. I was looking to get my average
If we
in the
don't
70s.
reject this area, I'll begin looking for a higher low for the longs. This is the only short entry I like. Is up here, 70 to 80. It stops at 25,000.
I'd like to take this back down to that 15 minute range high if it gives that to us.
We have our Fibonacci retracement from pre-market high to pre-market low. So that's why I tried the shorts up here, but stops are at 25,000 just in case we continue up. I have a hard stop in 25,000.
Just rip straight down. You don't need to go up anymore. I'm putting my hard stop in on the other side of 25,000.
Yep, I have mine at 25,001. I have mine at 25,001, so I'll lose just over 600 if I lose the trade. I'd like to see us move down to like 15-minute high.
Be awesome.
Less risk for me today, folks. if we do get some sort of 5-minute strong confirmation candle up here, potentially stop it early, but right now I'd like to see it move down to like 9.
Uh-oh, we're green. For a second. Let's go straight down. You don't need to go any higher today.
Don't need to go any higher. That's what I'd be telling it.
That's what I'm saying.
Come on, baby. Do it for the Bears. Do it for us. Come on.
Do it for the payouts.
Go, 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 go.
There we go.
Let's go.
Keep going.
Go.
Keep going down. Other way.
Slight risk on this, so I
Wrong
don't
way.
have anything to trim. I'm gonna wait till 9:30. I need a minimum of like 9:40 or below to take any profit or to take my profit.
Don't you do it. Stay down there.
This 5-minute chart looks good. This shows we had the right idea.
Yeah,
Look at that 5-minute candle.
we had the right idea. Let's just hope we get a rip down here like we want.
Even if it don't work out, this shows we had the right idea. So, 'cause I've been in the shorts since 9:70. You actually probably got a better entry than I did.
Push. Push down. Do it.
Push down. Come on. If I had more risk on, I'd probably put my stops at like 9.
There we go. Come on.
Come on.
I'm trimming. Trim. I'm trimming here, everyone. Just heads up.
Come on.
Moving my stop to entry. Wasn't the best risk reward there, but that previous candle, I've seen us retrace them often, so. Very
The
often.
plan is I'm gonna sell my mini, and if we go back up, I'll trade micro so I can trim again. I got a lot of shit going on today, so I have to travel, so I'm keeping my risk minimum. I'm taking my 1-to-1 on that trade, so we're gonna secure it as a green trade down here.
There we go.
And if we get a re-entry, I'll trade micros, but we're gonna take our dub today. It's 1-to-1. If I had more to trim, I'd trim some. I'd trim some, and I'd put my stops at break even at 9:70. But trend is up intraday. I'm taking my dub. I'm taking my dub, and if we get a nice re-entry, I'll trade micros. I should have done that from the start. I'm following my system. Got to travel back to Nebraska today.
I got my stop at entry, everyone. Move. I've got my stop at I got my stop at entry, Team Bull. Just letting you know. My average is in the 70s. Give us that pre-market or that 15-minute range high. That's what I want.
So far, 1-to-1 trade. Stop should be at entry. I'm with you. If you're still in.
Rip it down.
We're only 72. Good job, everybody. Glad we caught a winner on a Friday so far. Not crazy yet, but caught a winner.
It wasn't far from our stop at all on that trade when it pushed up.
I know.
There we go.
There we go, everybody. Let it keep pushing.
I'm trimming one more time here. Gonna let the other two I have ride.
Let it keep pushing. Let's go, everybody. If you guys have micros to trim, I'd be trimming here.
Nice.
If you guys have micros to trim, I wish I could be trimming with you.
I didn't get us the 30-minute workday, but maybe the hour workday.
Now look at that. That's the nasty reject. Let's go. 1.5R. 1.5R, baby. All I gotta say.
Come on, do it.
Let's go.
It's about to rip down, looks like. We'll see. Need some volume to come in here.
Let's go, baby. Hey, while we're letting this play out guys are in this trade.
What do you think, everyone? TikTok, YouTube, you all liking this trade? Not bad, huh? Not bad for a Friday. It got close to my final price target there. Oh, I'm still in. I'm gonna hold mine. I want to see if we go down any further. I'm gonna set my stop at the top of this previous candle here now, everyone, on my runner. See right there where I'm showing you? Around that 70 area? Alright, it nearly got it. It got it. It got my stop. Trade's over for me, everyone. It snagged my stop on that. Had a little bit in the profits there. Nice, Mark. Solid trade, everyone. Solid. It could still sell off. This is going to be a hard zone to break above. But I'm going to be honest with everyone here. That is the only trade I'm taking today. I am tired from this week. I'm going to go have a nice Friday, eat some steak. Just have a good day. Because I got to work, a lot of work to do this weekend for the webinar. Last time, free webinar coming this Tuesday, 7 p.m. EST, Grizzology.com/webinar. Sign up, secure your spot. I appreciate you all for showing up this week. We've had a good week trading. Have we had a losing trade in here this week? Have we had a losing trade this week? The chat answer. No losses. That's right. Solid week. Hope you all have an amazing weekend. If you need anything, hit me up on Instagram. All right.